Right now, there are a number of scientists who are beginning to argue that the CO2 signal, if you will, is already detected. For example, if you look at the mean temperature of the globe in the last 30 years, it's something like three-tenths of a degree or so warmer than the mean temperature of the globe perhaps a century ago. That's consistent with the CO2 theory.
We believe that there is some suggested evidence now that the atmosphere is indeed warming. Atmosphere is indeed warming due to the greenhouse effect. The article in Science suggested that this might be occurring.
The article argued that the warming of 2/5 of a degree centigrade could be the result of the greenhouse effect.
And there is a reasonable consensus among meteorologists that the warming will continue and will be significant and measurable, easily measurable, roughly by the end of this century.
Most scientists involved in this problem agree that the temperature will rise on average some 2 degrees centigrade in the next century, that is, nearly 4 degrees Fahrenheit. If that doesn't sound much, remember there was a time when the world was only 5 degrees centigrade colder, during the Ice Age, when the ice sheet reached Bristol. Furthermore, the warming will be much more dramatic in some areas than others.
By the middle of the next century, when we might have twice as much carbon dioxide as we had in 1900, it may rise by an average of 2 or 3 degrees centigrade on the average, but in the polar regions it could be 5 or 10 degrees centigrade, which becomes a very large change and one that's going to change the whole character of the polar regions.